Looking to upgrade your car with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto without replacing your entire stereo system? Then a portable CarPlay screen might be exactly what you need. These smart displays bring modern features like navigation, music streaming, voice control, and even dash cameras to almost any vehicle. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best CarPlay screens you can buy in 2026. We'll look at their key features, performance, pros, and cons, so you can choose the right one for your car. All product links are in the description below. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Portable Apple CarPlay screen, 10 inches with 4K dash cam. Starting our list at number 5 is the portable Apple CarPlay screen with a 10-inch touchscreen display. This model is designed to instantly upgrade older vehicles with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support. The large 10-inch touch display makes navigation, calls, and media control much easier while driving. One standout feature is the built-in 4K front dash cam along with a 1080p rear backup camera, providing extra safety and recording capabilities. It also supports mirror link, voice control, Bluetooth connectivity, and GPS navigation. The screen is responsive and easy to install, making it a great option for drivers who want modern smart features without complicated installation. Pros: large 10-inch clear touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in 4K dash camera and rear camera, supports mirror link and voice control. Number 2. 9-inch portable CarPlay screen with Bluetooth 5.3. At number 4, we have the 9-inch portable CarPlay screen with Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity. This compact but powerful system supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to access navigation apps, music streaming, and phone calls safely while driving. The in-cell touchscreen technology provides faster response and clearer visuals compared to standard displays. It also includes a 4K dash cam and a 1080p backup camera to improve driving safety. Another highlight is the Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, which ensures stable connections with smartphones and car audio systems. Pros: smooth and responsive in-cell touchscreen, reliable Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, 4K dash cam and rear camera included. Compact design fits most dashboards. Coming in at number 3 is the Volam 11-inch wireless CarPlay screen. This model stands out because it includes built-in apps like Netflix and YouTube, allowing passengers to enjoy entertainment during long trips. The 11-inch touchscreen provides a large and bright interface, making navigation and media controls easy to use. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, voice control, and GPS navigation. Another great feature is OTA updates, which means the system can receive software improvements over time. Pros: large 11-inch display, built-in YouTube and Netflix apps, OTA updates for future improvements, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. At number 2, we have the 11-inch extra-large wireless Apple CarPlay screen with an ultra-slim design. With a thickness of only 0.16 inches, this display looks modern and sleek while fitting nicely on most dashboards. The large screen makes navigation, maps, and media much easier to see. It also includes a built-in 4K dash cam and a 1080p rear camera, helping drivers record footage and park more safely. With wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, voice control, GPS navigation, and mirror link support, this model offers a complete smart driving experience. Pros: ultra-slim modern design, large 11-inch display, 4K dash cam and backup camera, wide compatibility with smartphones. Number 5. HK5 10.26-inch wireless CarPlay screen. This device delivers excellent value with a clear HD display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, and a reliable backup camera system. The system also supports GPS navigation, mirror link, Siri voice commands, and FM audio transmission so you can connect it easily to your car speakers. While it doesn't include a front dash camera, the performance, connectivity, and user-friendly interface make it one of the best portable CarPlay screens available in 2026. So, that was our list of the top 5 best CarPlay screens in 2026. If you want the best entertainment features, the Volam 11-inch model is a great choice. If you prefer a sleek design with premium features, the ultra-slim 11-inch CarPlay screen stands out. And if you're looking for the best value option, the HK5 CarPlay screen offers excellent performance for the price. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.